Okay, we're doing burritos tonight. If I've ever done this before, it was like over 20 years ago. So we're hooking it up. Yeah, we got some marinated carne adobada. It's already been marinated. Got all these veggies ready to go. Even got some cilantro, my favorite. So, gonna do this up. Got some tortillas ready to go. I heated them up a little bit. And some black beans to put in there. Yeah, buddy. Hooking it up a little bit. Probably do these one at a time, just not to cook all the meat at one time, you know. And I think this stuff stays red. It's just the way it's marinated, I guess. I don't know. So I'm not into like hooking up the tortillas. It's just extra work for me. Haven't mentioned it yet on any of these videos, but I am disabled on one side. So my right arm doesn't work the way my left does. You know what I mean? So it's just extra work. Making tortillas, making buns, making bread, whatever. You know, I'd rather just buy the stuff and skip that step, you know what I mean? Pay the price. Pay that dollar more or whatever it is, you know? Can't be that much, right? So, this little taco truck right down the street, burritos with tax are like over $9, so, you know, if I can do this myself for a lot less, hook it up, you know. They are delicious down at that taco truck, though. But they got a few of those taco trucks around here. I've tried them all, I think, or there's 4 that I can think of within a few miles from here. I think I've tried them all, but only been back to a couple more than once. And one had some whack prices, so I stopped going there. It like give you a price, and then it's like, oh, you ordered this kind of meat, we tack on another $2. It's like, that wasn't in the original price. Like, what the fuck? It's like kind of false advertising, you know? So I don't want to go back there That place pretty damn good though, but that's some fucking screwy shit. You know, you think you're paying $7, get a deal, and then it's like $2.50 more because of you got meat in there. It's like, what the fuck? Am I gonna eat a burrito without meat in it? What the hell? So, and that one's kind of far, or the furthest one out of the four I was talking about. So, no big deal. Whatever, right? Get some garlic in there. And this garlic's like looking all weird. It was in my freezer for a while, so it kind of got mushy. But still tastes like garlic, you know? So, yeah, just don't put your garlic in the freezer, I guess, you know? Keep it real with the garlic. I like it when it's hard and chopped up, and that's the best way, I think. Green onions right here, or scallions, or whatever you're gonna call them. Anything to do with onions, I love. And onions are really good for you. Look up what onions are good for. I can't tell you right off the top of my head, but they are friggin' delicious. They keep you clean. Yeah. Delicious, man, delicious. Or it's about to be. Look, Calphalon, some good shit right here. So, alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Fucking awesome.
There's a lot going on, I believe. You gotta hit that overall. If that's true, then we could just nut in a petri dish and just pour warm water and maybe it'll grow. Do you ever get nervous that when you're ejaculating, a lot of women now will hold it and sneak off and use it, or they'll save it real quick in another person, like a heating environment, and then get rid of it later. I've never heard of that before in my life. What's going on? Yeah, so what you're saying to me is this, right? I'm 69 and a woman. I'm on top. No, but just let me give you this. I'm on top, and I'm, you know what I mean? Like coming or their mouth. That's so cool. Yeah, look, and nothing you do in some of the stuff started. Right. So she's now. Right. She had it in her mouth. I want her breath. Yeah. Right. And then you go, hey, I'm gonna go pee, and then she spits it in a warm.
So here's what I created. I'm gonna roll it up now.
Right here we have an article. And it says women keep sperm for sexual intercourse to get pregnant and sue. Wow. An appeals court said a man could press a claim for emotional distress after learning a former lover had used his sperm to have a baby. He can't claim theft, the ruling said, because the sperm were burned to keep. Wow. Why? By the Illinois Appellate Court sent Dr. Richard O. Phillips' distress case back to the trial court. They don't want to deal with it. They moved it back. But it's a ridiculous thing to sue for. Because I'm saying this, right? If you stole my toenail, I clip my nails.
So it charred up a little bit,
Right? And then you took it.
Can't hurt.
That's yours. But what if your toenails had little U's inside of them, and I took them and created it? How would you feel about it? Like if clone me, waste, use the DNA from the clone? Well, that's exactly what they're doing. I think that there's ways. I think that, like, bro, you just have to be conscious. Like, for instance, you got in the mouth, and you look, and you go, I need to see you spit it out and swallow. Right now. Where are you? What's the age? You can't do that. Where are you? If you go, like that, then what I do is I go, right? In the cheek, and it spits out like that. That's mine. You're right. You're not people market. I'm just saying, it's getting down to it. Right. Well, people are saying, how about cloning though, bro? Because some Chinese dude just got arrested for where in the park. Yeah. Well, they little puppet. But let me ask you something, right? If you can clone people, then the idea is gone. Are we treating everybody?
Shit. We're gonna make this work either way. It's gonna be good either way. No worries.
But the things we're going to clone are not going to be as high quality. We're going to clone some real big skills. Oh, right, like the meat. Yeah, you're going to have like Bobby Lee. Right, you're going to have like Bobby Lee. And it's just some guy just walking around just as leaky. Right. Yeah, okay. Like there's going to be techniques. It's not going to fully happen. You have to get the best quality. Yeah. You're going to get secondary meat. I will say this, that the Japanese now, or you can send them your hair and they will grow a whole crop of it and send it back to you. You look that up on Facebook?
Yeah, I think that's good. Check it out. Yeah. Get all this stuff too.
What else are you going to do? Because you can't just get the surgery on the children.
Check it out. Nice tight little burrito. Alright, you guys. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Please like the channel, support the channel, like the video, and please leave a comment. Tell me what you're eating today. Alright, Chronic Eats out. Peace.